Hello and welcome back to the Core Learning channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to cancel down fractions. So now let's look at how we do this. So the method for this is that we divide the top of the fraction, the numerator, and the bottom of the fraction, the denominator, by the same number until this is no longer possible. So if we were to take 18 over 30 as an example, well, we can divide 18 and 30, both of these numbers, by 2. If we do this, 18 divided by 2 is 9, and 30 divided by 2 is 15. Now, is there a number that goes into 9 and goes into 15? Well, 3. So if we divide top and bottom by 3, we get 3 over 5. Is there another number that is we can divide 3 and 5 by? No, there isn't. So this is the most simplified form of the fraction 18 over 30. We're now going to look at some more examples. So to start off with, we have 6 over 10. So a common factor of 6 and 10 is 2. So we can divide top and bottom by 2 here, and we get 3 over 5. As just discussed, 3 over 5 can no longer be simplified. So this is the most simplified form of 6 over 10. Next, we have 24 over 42. So again, we could divide both top and bottom by 2, but if we look carefully at this one, we can also divide top and bottom by 6. 6 is a common factor of both 24 and 42. So if we divide 24 by 6, we get 4, and if we divide 42 by 6, we get 7. So this fraction simplified becomes 4 over 7. And lastly, we have 12 over 48. Again, we could go down the route of dividing by 2, but we can actually see here that both top and bottom are divisible by 12. So 12 divided by 12 is 1, and 48 divided by 12 is 4. So this, in its most simplified form, is 1 over 4. So as usual, I'm going to share the questions now. Pause the video, have a go at them yourself, and when you're ready, unpause the video and we'll go through each one. So hopefully you got on with that okay. Let's start from the beginning. So we have 4 over 10. Well, we can divide top and bottom by 2 here, which will give us 2/5. This can't be divided down any further. Next, we have 15 over 25. We can divide top and bottom by 5, and we get 3/5. This cannot be broken down any further. Next, we have 18 over 24. Now, you can either keep dividing by 2 or 3. In this case, we can divide both top and bottom by 6. So if we divide 18 by 6, we get 3, and if we divide the top by 6, we get 4. So we get 3 over 4. We have 12 over 36. Again, we can divide top and bottom by 12, which gives us 1 over 3. Moving on to the other side, we have 10 over 20. So we can divide both of these by 10 to get a half. We have 60 over 25. In this case, we can divide top and bottom by 5, which will give us 12 over 5. We have 16 over 64. In both cases, we can divide by 16. This will give us 1 over 4. And lastly, we have 32 over 256. So we can just keep dividing by 2 on this one, and we'd get 16 over 128, then 8 over 64, then 4 over 32, and then finally 1 over 8. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and learned something today. If anything is unclear or you have any questions, just leave a comment and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you at the next one.